Hey everybody, here today you are with Veronica Seban from Business Power Academy, and I would like to talk with you about your purpose and your why. Today I have seen a post of one colleague of me on Facebook, and he started at once with me, but he specialized in public speaking. I can call as well his name, Daniel Gomez from Texas, San Antonio. So I have been present and honored so to can interview him. And he posted something that if you believe so, everything is going his own way, and it regards especially our purpose in our business. And that's why I decided today to give you some tips and a reminder as well. If you are a business coach and you want to start from the scratch, eventually along the way there will be many obstacles in terms of distraction, and it could be different factors, like someone can come your way and to propose to you different courses, different coaching programs. But what is very important to consider and to don't forget your why. So don't accept courses and coaching programs that are not aligning with your purpose, with your why. So you have to take in account and to make a plan about your purpose, about your why, and what do you need exactly to learn, to achieve your goal, and to follow your purpose, to fulfill your mission, to can help another people. Because before you are gonna fulfill your mission and vision, you have to invest in your education, right? And it's obviously that you should do this. This is absolutely a must that you have to do. You need to do this. So I repeat it again. If you really are serious, intentioned to be a coach, to become a professional in your field, and have serious intentions to fulfill your purpose and your mission and to transform lives, you need to invest in your education to can transform the life of another people. But I highly recommend to don't invest time and money in courses and coaching programs that are not aligning your purpose, because you don't need to know everything. It's very important to specialize yourself at what you really need to be good at. You don't need to spring and here and there and then to get confused with yourself, because otherwise, if you will be distracted from your own direction, from your own niche and path, it will cost you really a lot of time and money. It happens to me before, many years ago. It was, I forgot, 2013, yes, like this. When I was still at the beginning, when I was studying so about the business coaching, and I was discovering different niches, at the time the strategies were not so familiar and so popular like actually like at this moment. So be very, very careful again, and don't distract yourself. Don't let to distract you, because there will be thousands proposals. So on your way, just to attract your attention to invest money. It's of course, it's highly recommended to invest in your education, but you should invest in the right education that you really need to achieve your goal. So don't get me wrong, because I spent really more than 100,000 euros only in education, only to study foreign languages, to for the university. I invested really a lot of money by traveling for seminars, for conferences, for digital courses, many courses. I can tell you so one by one, but yes, it makes sense. It makes sense for you if it's aligning your purpose, and if with your knowledge you can help so another people to transform their life. But if it doesn't make sense, so to lose your time and to lose your energy and money. I think that this makes huge sense, and you should pay close attention. So, and otherwise, if you are still troubling with, just write it down. Why? Why are you doing this? What is your purpose? Write it down and define. So in one or two sentences, your purpose. What is your purpose? Set goals and a timeline. So how much time do you need to achieve so your goal, to achieve your purpose? It's of the utmost importance to be realistic and to take in consideration as well your budget for this moment that you have available. So just be realistic, yes. And I know that there is people that they probably have the occasion to invest a lot of money in high ticket coaching programs, but the most of the coaches who are from the start, they don't have so much money to invest in every type of digital courses or coaching programs. So I think that my recommendations and my advice make very, very huge sense. It's only to be aware of the fact where should you invest your money. Of course, it's your money. Of course, it's your purpose. It's your life. It's your decision. But this is only a suggestion. So I'm sharing my own experience and my wake-up call as well. Like, because if you knew how many coaches kept in touch with me to propose their coaching program, hundreds of coaches, of course, because everyone wants to keep their to grab their chance. And of course they are gonna promise you everything, but just be realistic. Just you have to analyze your own level knowledge and this strategy and approach. And you have to realize that you need something that is gonna make you shine, your personality. that you can attract the people, especially your communication, your behavior, and your own attitude towards the people. So you have as well to pay attention and to dedicate time to the people, showing up and go so on. You have to share as well. So on your Facebook and Instagram account, many things about yourself, especially your life story, because this creates a huge impact on the people. So your life story attracts the people so towards you, and your life story, so it's like it's doing feel them something, it's triggering their emotions, so or specific moments that they have experienced like you. And that's why so sharing your life story, it's so powerful, and it's gonna contribute so to achieve your goal. It doesn't matter in what. So I have created as well a bundle of digital courses outside my high ticket programs, storytelling for companies, which really it creates an incredible, enormous impact on the people in general, not only coaches, but even marketing service providers, because they also want so to help us coaches, right? But not on the basis of cold acquisition. So that's why we, being as a coaches, we have to teach them how to integrate so their services or products on the market, and to accelerate so their sales. So this was a quick speech for today, and as well an advice for you as an entrepreneur and as a coach. And I hope that this will be very helpful for you, and take in consideration, make notes of what I'm telling every single time, because I'm a creative person, and I have the moments when it comes up to me, and then I have to go in front of the camera and to record this. Like I have the lightning spots, you know, that is, they are coming up, and then I have to leave everything at that moment, and then to be here in front of the camera for you. If this is familiar to you, if you are so so creative like I am, and that you have those moments when you have to leave everything and to run in front of the camera to just to share your ideas when they come up, it's amazing, because this is the most beautiful when you can share so your knowledge and experience in a very spontaneous way. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being with me today. Take care of yourself and of your loved ones, and I see you soon. Bye bye.